इसको क्लिक कर दोगे यहाँ पे।
आयु नीति रोग की याचिका पराली जलाने पर नजर रखने के लिए कमेटी बनाने के अपने फैसले पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने लगाई रोक। 3-4 दिनों में कानून बनाने के केंद्र के आश्वासन पर सुप्रीम
The moment I think कि अब start करते हैं और there are guests waiting in the lobby. Let me just admit them all and then we begin. Just give me a second. Alright guys, so we already are 28 of us, including me and Roshni. A very warm welcome once again to Seed Mantra's webinars. And today we have Roshni with us and our topic is all about worksheets. Actually, it was getting a little tough for us to decide कि इसका topic क्या रखना चाहिए. It's more about how do we work with our kids when we have to teach them some academic concepts. What and how do worksheets come into the picture? किस तरह से हमें worksheets design करनी चाहिए? And many more things related to that. So who other than Roshni, who is, trying to help us all with all the amazing worksheets that she keeps sharing. हमारे बोलने भर की देर होती है, रोशनी मैम, ये worksheet, हाँ जी, बिल्कुल. And within no time, she brings it for us. And before I introduce who Roshni is, how we met, I just want you all to know that today is the most difficult day for her. Suddenly, yesterday, she got a notice from her son's school कि आज 2 oral exams हैं, and then he has continuous exams till 12th of November. And I asked her, do you want to cancel this session? And she said, nahi, anything for the parents. I'll try my level best and I'll manage it anyhow. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यही होगा कि we will finish it off little early. हम ज़्यादा stretch नहीं कर पाएंगे. But I'm in for it, Khushbu. Let's do it. And and apart from this, a lot more things. We all have our own ups and downs in lives. सबके घर में कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है. But still, she's in for it, and she is here with us. So, a big salute to you, Roshni, for that. How we met, me and Roshni, we are doing our special B.Ed from the same college. So, we both are from Pune. The school where Vian is studying, उसी school का जो special school branch है. Roshni is a teacher there, and she's been working there from I don't know exactly in years, वो रोशनी बताएगी, but she has a good a special school. So she is a special educator, a practicing special educator already. I'm sorry, there's a lot of people joining in between, so that gets this linked. Anyways, so she has a lot of experience with her own daughter, then children in school, and now with online schooling, and every now and then attending to our requests of sharing those worksheets. So I thought, let's get Roshni live and help us understand how do we work with our kids when it comes to the academic concepts and worksheets. Over to you, Roshni. Please take it ahead.
Thank you, Khushbu. You had described me a whole, so there is nothing to tell you all about me. So moving on to our worksheet part, just want to tell you a short story. Before that, my network is very poor, so switching off my video. That's why I came live to tell you that I have to switch off my video and then we'll continue. If it is okay for you all, everyone, I want to know that it is okay to switch off video and connect with you all, or otherwise I will switch on and disconnect in between.
Completely okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So moving to our webinar part, I will let you know that what exactly worksheet is, how to go with that, and how to prepare our kids for their mastery level in a particular topic. So moving to that, before I want to tell you a little short story about myself. Our Khushbu has told everything about me, but one thing that always motivates me, I want to share with you all, how I get motivated and how I came in the special education part and how I started with my daughter to reach certain levels. So when I got married, I was a government employer in a Union Bank of India, working with the home loans, and I got a beautiful daughter. Suddenly, a day she born. After that, at night, after 14 days at night, she aspirated. And after aspirating, I was thinking ki nothing is going to happen, but doctor declared her dead. So at that moment, I felt that my first child lost, and that was a very hard time for me. And suddenly, keeping her from night 12 o'clock to morning, one nurse came to me and told me that she is still breathing, and I started breathing with her. But moving ahead a month, month after a few months, I found her a delay in certain things, like she is not crawling yet, and my sister-in-law has also given birth to a daughter in that same time only. So her son was started crawling, then standing up and doing a lots of things, but my daughter is not that much. Comparing in my mind, I was very upset. So what to do, as a mother, I was frustrated with everything. So few moments it came to me, I will kill my daughter and I kill myself also. Few moments, because the family pressure was so much and everything was going that time. But my husband was behind me, and every day he is consoling me that no dear, we are going to be a great parent for our daughter. You don't have to worry about anything. So that moment always I got, I'm blessed to get a support from my husband. He's a very supportive person. In my life, throughout my life, I had gone through many ups and downs. He always supported me, and he told me that we will work with our child not as a daughter. He's our son, and there is no need to hear about the what other persons are saying. Some people are saying that आपने मालिश नहीं किया, in a Hindi word. I will more connect. I will express more myself in a Hindi. That they told me that आपने मालिश नहीं किया. So I started doing malish from morning to night, many times at a day. Start doing malish. 6 months did the malish massages with a different oils and nothing. So at that same time, some told me that DHA ka part बढ़ाओ, omega-3 का part बढ़ाओ, camel milk पिलाओ, goat milks पिलाओ, and many more in my journey. There are lots of people for the suggestions, but I didn't find a single person who suggests me a right thing. So I told you this one because we are very blessed that right now in this our journey, we are together to share each other's journey, and that's how other people who are just joining this journey with us with their child, they are comfortable, they are knowing what other are going, we are not alone. But in my journey, I think in Khushbu's journey, we are at the alone timing only. हम एकदम अकेले से पड़ गए थे. Then moving on, फिर I found in that my journey that my daughter's memory is very good. I'm blessed with that. कहते हैं ना कि अगर आपके सारे दरवाजे बंद हो जाते हैं तो कोई ना कोई एक पार्ट होता है जो आपको बहुत अच्छा महसूस कराता है. So that time मुझे पता चला कि उसकी memory बहुत अच्छी है. She has a very good grasping power. The Three Idiots movies that time released, and the music was going on, all is well, and suddenly she started singing all is well bhaiya, all is well, and I found it जो लड़की देख नहीं रही है ढंग से, शी इज नॉट एबल टू वॉक प्रॉपरली, and many more things are going on, and everyone is telling me that she is not she is a not good child, you are not blessed with a god blessing, so you find you got this. Early morning today also my mother-in-law said that this girl is good for nothing. Today morning only she told me that this girl is not good for nothing, and you are not blessed with anything, and this will be a lifetime not मतलब many things to you. तो ये जो छोटी छोटी बातें जब मुझे कोई बोलता था ना, I found myself more energetic, more मेरा जो टारगेट था ना, व्हाट वी से, जो टारगेट था ना, वो और भी ज्यादा मेरे अंदर जो एक अंदर से जो आती है ना कि नहीं नहीं अभी तो मुझे करके दिखाना, आई हैव टू प्रूव माई सेल्फ दैट माई डॉटर इज नॉट गुड फॉर नथिंग, शी इज गुड फॉर एवरीथिंग, शी विल डू इट, she will blast it. So it's like that. So when it comes to her academics part, slowly, and when I was in my journey, I was getting some wrong information for some other doctors. Some doctors said nahi theek ho jayega, time aayega, she will get well, but no one is ready to tell us exactly what's going with her. So that part we thought of I thought of, and my husband thought of ki I have to do the special education course. And I started working, and the Masrat Tawawala ma'am, she came in my life. She told me that join our school, and that's exactly I was working there from last 5 years, but 3 years I was in a good role, and many children are there who had believed me that I will do something good for them, and there I learned a lot of things. So I just want to share when I came to know in this pandemic situation to help the children, and I also came to my native land and was not a regular basis in the school. So thought of कि क्यों ना मैं वर्कशीट के साथ, मुझे तो मेरा काम करना ही है सुबह से शाम तक, why not I start doing these worksheets when I was good in worksheet, because मुझे पता चल गया था कि ग्रेड 1 के लेवल के बच्चे का, या कैसे हम जज करते हैं कि किस बच्चे को किस वर्कशीट की नीड है, हाउ टू गो अबाउट इट. तो ये पहले मुझे दृष्टि, मेरी बेटी का नाम दृष्टि है, उसके साथ काम करते करते भी समझ में आया. एंड देन फाइनली व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग इन द सुंदर जी, तो आई केम टू नो कि कौन सा, अगर क्या लेवल है तो कौन से लेवल में किस नीड की वर्कशीट एग्जैक्टली वी वांट, एंड हाउ टू कस्टमाइज इट अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज नीड्स और हर नीड्स. दैट आई केम टू नो. अच्छे तरीके से एक पिक्चर क्लियर हो गई माँ. तो coming to that part, so starting with that part, I'm not concluding every part because I want to go in that more in my other webinar. Right now I have left many stories untold because I want to generate a curiosity on you. Curious एक होता है ना part, curious होना चाहिए कि आगे क्या हुआ, कैसा हुआ. It's not a picture, but it will motivate you to do. Where I left you all about is something to go ahead, move ahead. So in my worksheet part, exactly I want to tell you simply, this worksheet simply means a sheet of paper on which we perform our work. It comes in a many forms. So worksheet exactly एक piece of paper है जिसमें हम अपना काम दर्शाते हैं. लेकिन आज के जमाने में worksheet is not a piece of paper. It's our creativity, our work, our activity, which we have to create in such a way that our kids will able to answer it, be able to evaluate their work and progress according to that worksheet. It's all exactly about that. So worksheet is not only the piece of paper. We have to work creatively in that. So it may be in many forms. For example, you can your child's work assignments. It will be a printed one or it will be handmade by you. It doesn't mean that worksheet है तो हमने को print करा कर ही लेना. You take the ideas and you customize it, draw with your hand, drawing, printing, whatever suits you better. You will go ahead with that. The purpose of the worksheet, what I found is a clear vision why we are designing the worksheet. क्लियर विजन होना ही चाहिए कि वर्कशीट को कैसे डिजाइन करना. इफ माय चाइल्ड इज ऑटिस्टिक, थोड़ा देर के ये सिचुएशन आएगा, he is right now is ready to do this work, after some time he is not able to do that work, he will be distracted. So according to that we have to design that worksheet. If we are going, for example, if we are going with the math, if we are going with the maths, for example, if we are going with the maths, तो हमें क्या करना होगा कि हमें पहले maths के, for example, we are going with the addition, so we will go with the addition first, and then afterwards, for after giving 2 to 3 sums, we will give the activity of the same addition. For example, you will put that activity in the worksheets, like maze work या puzzles के साथ या प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ. ये सारी चीजों के साथ आप क्या कर सकते हो कि आप वर्कशीट में, ताकि जब when he get easily distracted, he will do that activity, come again in the form, and he will start completing his work. So worksheet is not only mean that you have to do only the paperwork. अरे आज मैंने addition करा दिया है, and we'll do the paperwork, and he will perform, and we will evaluate कि कितना कर पाता है, कितना नहीं कर पाता. It's not a question and answer sheet given by the teacher. It's a parent customized or a teacher customized work which your child has to perform in a beautifully, creatively way. So worksheet's purpose has a clear vision. For example, with that worksheet we can record our child's work creatively. In sense, मतलब different way का worksheet होना चाहिए. Worksheet always has to start with the simple and then goes to the complex. It's नहीं कि ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि हम हमेशा मतलब पहले वर्ड प्रॉब्लम दे दिया, फिर अरे यार ये तो नहीं आ रहा है, अभी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं कर पा रहा है, then we'll go move back to the addition. Worksheet always have what you're teaching to your child, and then is he able to do that or not, or in a very creatively manners, or in a very what we say कि अगर हम जैसे for example I had shared one video with you that my daughters was counting. Every time I was very much not sure that she will be able to do the addition in that way or not. Then one day I was sitting and asked her ki Drishti, what is 2 plus 2? So she was sitting and looking at me. Mama, if 2 is in my mind and 2 is in my finger, after 2 it comes 3, 4, and its total is equal to 4. So it's like that, and I suddenly got ki I'm not teaching her, she is teaching me. Addition अभी मुझे कैसे सिखाना अपने बच्चों को? It's like that कि something I learned from her, something she learned from me. तो वर्कशीट एक हमें ऐसा करना है कि हमको पहले सिखाना है और फिर उसको वर्कशीट्स में उतारना. The same way we have to create a worksheet with a simple, if we to get big trouble. So the purpose of the worksheet has to be the clear vision, the clear age levels होना चाहिए, ability level होना चाहिए, each and everything. Who is the audience in our worksheet? Audience means कि आप सोच रहे होगे कि obviously our children are our audience. No, their age is our audience. Their ability is our audience. Our motivation for them is the audience. I want to tell you clearly कि यहाँ पर audience doesn't means the child is audience. कि हम पढ़ा रहे हैं तो मेरा बेटा ही audience होगा. No. We don't have to look at our children, not at all, not pushing them to study. Our clear vision has to be their age, their ability, their motivation, कि उनका mind कितना जो worksheet है, it has to be influenced by the age, ability and motivation. For example, young child may not be able to read and write more words. So यहाँ हम क्या करेंगे? Is anyone going to tell me कि how to start? कि अगर हमारा बच्चा young child है, छोटा सा बच्चा, he is not able to read and write, how will start with? This is totally interaction वाला webinar है. Everyone is allowed to say anything. So please. Yes, Nilata, you want to say something?
यस हेलो मैम। जैसे मेरी बच्ची अभी नहीं जानती है रीडिंग राइटिंग, तो हम लोग आइडेंटिफिकेशन से शुरू करेंगे।
Identification of letters, you want to say?
लेटर्स, नंबर्स, हाँ।
Okay. So it has to be in the simple identification. It has to be a pictorial one.
पिक्टोरियल वन।
Yes, that's what I want to say, that everything our mind captures is in a picture way. Our simple things will not be captured that much what the pictures captures in the mind. Not, I'm not talking about only the special needs. It also comes when it comes to the normal child. I want to share with you all. If my son will listen today, he will get upset, but still I want to say that my normal child is not that much good in studies, that how much my daughter is. So gadha hai wo. In a simpler way, he's not ready to understand what we are doing. Lots of worksheets we make for them, लेकिन नहीं मम्मा मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आता. So I want to tell you that it doesn't, हम ऐसे चमत्कार होते हुए अपने बच्चों में देखते हैं ना, कि कहीं से भी उसका रिलेशन आता ही नहीं है कि नहीं ये स्पेशल नीड है इसलिए नहीं कर पा रहा है. हाँ, we only classified our children in a normal needs and the special needs. We only, हम जब किसी को पहले से ही बता देते हैं ना कि स्पेशल नीड है, तो वो उसकी तरह से जज करने लगते हैं कि नहीं, they are the special needs, we have to work specially for them. But you don't know that the possibilities in our child is much more than our normal ones. When my daughter is a grade 1, she stood first with a 99%, or the school was a normal children's school. So it's like that कि जरूरी नहीं है कि नॉर्मल वो कर पाएगा जो स्पेशल नहीं कर सकता, और जो स्पेशल कर पाएगा वो नॉर्मल नहीं कर सकता. It's all about our children's and our capabilities and their capabilities, what they are going to do. So coming back to our webinar, which is on worksheet. So how to prepare the worksheet? All layout I had discussed with you. How to prepare the worksheets? Worksheets हमारा मेन फोकस तो होना चाहिए एज एबिलिटी के साथ, लेकिन वर्कशीट्स का लेआउट जो होगा, विजुअल क्वालिटी जो होगी, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं कोई वर्कशीट बना रही हूँ, एडीएल्स पे बना रही हूँ या मैथ्स में बना रही हूँ, या मैथ्स का मेरा टॉपिक है 1 2 3, तो फर्स्ट आई विल स्टार्ट विद द नंबर्स विच इज इन द पिक्टोरियल एज वेल एज ऑडियो विजुअल, एज वेल एज उसका पिक्टोरियल तो दिखेगा ही दिखेगा, साथ में फर्स्ट इट विल डायरेक्टली नॉट स्टार्ट विद द नंबर नेम्स. अगर नंबर नेम्स कर रहे हैं तो इट विल नॉट स्टार्ट विद द नंबर नेम्स डायरेक्टली, it start with the 1 2 3 first. We will write that first, then totally, मतलब worksheet has to go from the simpler to complex. हमेशा ये माइंड में रखना ही है कि लेआउट, स्ट्रक्चर्स, वो हमें क्या दे रहा है, हमारे बच्चों को क्या रीच कराएगा, किस लेवल तक रीच कराएगा, वो सारी चीजें माइंड में रखने के बाद ही वर्कशीट प्रिपेयर करना. I had some worksheets which I want to show to you. I just want to request Khushbu to show you all till she is showing to us. If anyone want to ask anything from me, they are most welcome. Khushbu?
And show it, Roshni. Just give me a minute. Huh? I'll do that.
Till then, Khushbu is preparing. If anyone want to ask anything, please let me know. I'm open to all.
Hello.
Yes.
I'm Jayashree. My
Yes.
son is hello. My son is ADHD autism. As you have said that the worksheets are only for maths or for other subjects also, like EVS or for environment or science. We can prepare for that also.
Yes,
Because,
yes. The worksheets are for all the things, all the subjects. For example, अगर हम ADL पे वर्क कर रहे हैं तो ADL, for example, personal grooming, personal hygiene, personal things. मैथ्स कर रहे हैं तो मैथ्स के भी वर्कशीट्स होते हैं. if you are doing EVS के भी worksheets. If you are doing not only English and grammar, there are lots of worksheets of English and grammars also. If you will not find in the Google, go customize it according to your child needs with the pictures, and there's lots of things. And I am तो telling you that कि worksheets है, pictures तो है ही. There are lots of puzzled worksheets, maze worksheets, and the same content. Yesterday only I had shared one Dashra wala PDF in my worksheet channel. So I found it very attractive. I found it very attractive in such a way कि उसने पूरा इंग्लिश का सारा चीज इंक्लूड किया हुआ था, कि मेज भी पजल्स के साथ भी था. वर्ड सर्चिंग इज ऑल्सो देयर अबाउट द दशरा फेस्टिवल्स and many more things. So you can make the worksheets. You will find easily also. You can customize it also according to your child needs.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome dear.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, मेरी daughter 3 years old है. Just she completed 3 years, and she just started imitating the words.
Okay.
Yeah, she just started imitating the words. She can ABCD rhymes में बोल लेती है. So I need to know, is this the right time to introduce her academics? क्योंकि वो अभी उतना अंडरस्टैंड नहीं करती, लेकिन वर्ड्स इमिटेट करना स्टार्ट कर दी है, मुझे सुन के, मुझे देख के बोलना. बट एकेडमिक्स में जाना या वर्कशीट को लेके उसके ऊपर काम करना इज पॉसिबल नाउ?
Ma'am, what is her age?
3 years.
3 years. Perfectly okay, ma'am. To go with that.
अच्छा.
Because
Okay.
ma'am, if she started imitating, don't go directly to the worksheets. First, introduce the letters or numbers one by one. First of all, you go with the pre-writing, pre-concept, standing, slanting lines, and other things. Not go first 3 months. Don't go with that part, writing part. Only oral parts with the musical way, other things. Then after 3 months, when she started recognizing the letters or maybe able to understand the letters, you start with the writing tracing worksheets.
Tracing. Acha, she had identified the letters. If I ask for what is this letter, she says B, A, whatever I show her. So shall I go for writing now?
Yeah, definitely. Okay.
In writing what? In writing मतलब what way? Yeah.
Pre-concept. Start with the pre-concept, pre-writing skills.
Okay. And under that pre-writing skill, what else are included, ma'am?
Firstly, so it will start with the tracing lines होते हैं, जैसे for example standing line, sleeping line, slanting, edge lines, and many more you will find, or otherwise I had already shared many worksheets. I will reshare it with you all.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for that. Okay, ma'am.
Roshni, sorry to interrupt. I had shared the screen. Was it visible to everyone?
Yeah, at that time it was visible.
Okay, so I'll share it again. Roshni, please take that first, and then you can continue with the questions because network is weak at my side also. So Abhi hotspot is supporting. Let's do that first. Huh?
Yeah.
I'll just share it again. Yeah.
So this is the worksheet. I had personally customized it. This is on the personal grooming. Is it to everyone? Is it visible to everyone?
It is visible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. As I had written, worksheet for K1 to grade 4. It means that it is a simpler to complex one. So keep body clean and healthy. We'll start with the simple. I had started with simple matching activity. Draw a line to connect the things you use to keep yourself clean and healthy. ये personal grooming की पूरी total worksheet है. It is going with the simpler to complex. So matching worksheet, you are able to see the pictures and the words. Those who are not able to read, those children who are not able to, they are supported with their parents to read and टू मैच. इट डजंट मीन्स कि आप फर्स्ट लेवल पे उनको बोलो कि नहीं नहीं पढ़ो और मैच करो. डोंट गिव लाइक दैट. You read for them and then tell them to match. After a few months when they start reading, they will read, they will match. तो आप इसी वर्कशीट को, इसी पेज को आप कई तरह से यूज कर सकते हो बार बार बार. पहले आप उनको सपोर्ट कर सकते हो कि अरे टेकिंग अ बाथ का पिक्चर किधर है, ब्रशिंग माय टीथ का पिक्चर किधर है. So it's like that only. In my second slide, moving to the second slide. The fill in the blanks. So 3 pictures are there. We wash our hair with. So you give the choices to the your child. You are giving a choice to your child. So I had customized this worksheet to show you कि कैसे हम simpler to complex में जाते हैं और पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग को भी हम कितने इजी वे में, अगर आपको आज ही इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो अपने बच्चे को, तो लेसन प्लान्स, आज लेसन प्लान की बात आ रही है तो मैं जल्दी एक सेशन करूंगी जहां पर मैं आपको ये भी सिखाऊंगी कि लेसन प्लान हम कैसे बना सकते हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए. तो अभी तो वर्कशीट के पार्ट में है, तो वर्कशीट के पार्ट में आप डायरेक्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में नहीं, वी वॉश आवर हेयर विद विदाउट पिक्चर ऐसे नहीं करना है. Moving to the simple to complex, we will give them the options to choose, and then they will see the picture and then they will tell you the answer. So this is my this is the worksheet which will say that fill in the blanks. Correct. This is the part of the same. We can clean our face, we can clear our ears, we keep our hair neat and tidy with, and the other options are given. Then in the fourth worksheet, there is a numbers in front of pictures. You can write the name also, cut and paste also, whatever your child is able to do in this worksheet. If he's in his first level, tell him to write the numbers only. You read for him or her and tell him or her to write the numbers. And when he अगर उसका level थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, तो tell him to cut and paste. It will include all the activities. Cutting and pasting activities भी include करेगा, reading academically भी include करेगा, and the worksheets are going on. फिर higher grades में जब हम आते हैं, तो rearrange the given words to complete the sentence. तो जो worksheet हम उनको दे रहे हैं, जैसे a man has shoes, he should put some foot dash in dash. A powder smell or something like that. तो आप क्या डालोगे? A man has क्या shoes है? He should put some foot powder, ताकि उसका जो shoes है वो smelly नहीं हो. So it's like that. A man has 3 shoes. He should put powder in them. Smelly shoes, he should put some foot powder in them. तो ये है कि आपको अरेंज करके, चाइल्ड को अरेंज करके, तो ये हायर लेवल्स के लिए बढ़ता जा रहा है. सेम वर्कशीट पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग की है. आई हैड गिवन ओनली वन एग्जांपल्स फॉर देम. सेम वर्कशीट है, सेम टॉपिक है हमारे पास, लेकिन वर्कशीट्स अभी सिंपलर टू कॉम्प्लेक्स होती जा रही हैं. तो दैट्स हाउ वी मेक द वर्कशीट्स. नेक्स्ट वन इज ट्रू और फॉल्स. सेम चीज का हम ट्रू और फॉल्स भी कर सकते हैं. You should change your underclothes every day, true or false. तो इस तरह से आप बच्चे से कर सकते हो, या तो उसको खुद रीडिंग करने के लिए दे सकते हैं if its level is good, और अगर नहीं है लेवल को तो you read, ask the answers and then let him solve. We always have to help our children when there is a part of the worksheet. हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि हमने दे दिया उनको and let them do whatever they want to. If its level is to do alone, or if he is able to do that, it's perfectly okay. But if it's not able to do that alone, you have to help him. Now circle the body parts. So body parts के लिए first we have to read the words, then search in the that parts, and then we have to circle it out. So इस तरह से worksheet देखने में बहुत simple है, लेकिन you have to go according to that. Now this is the match the areas. ये मैचिंग वर्कशीट है जहां पर लॉट्स ऑफ पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग के चीजें दी हुई हैं. कॉम्ब दिया है, मिरर दिया है, फैशन दिया है, रेजर वैक्स दिया है, एंड व्हाट डू यू नीड टू गेट इट. तो एक अदर एग्जांपल ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्कशीट है. इस तरह से वर्कशीट जब हम प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट आता है असेसमेंट. असेसमेंट के भी हमारे वर्कशीट है. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने सिर्फ वर्कशीट दे दिया पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग हमने पढ़ा दिया बच्चों को, फिर वर्कशीट दे दिया, एंड देन वी आर लेट्स मतलब खत्म हो गया, अभी वी डोंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग. देन वी हैव टू मूव टू द असेसमेंट कि आखिर हमने पढ़ाया उसके बाद क्या, मतलब कितना वो जान पाया. तो हाउ ऑफन डू आई अंडरवियर डेली रेगुलरली, यू कैन assess it with the this checklist. वॉश एयर कभी बच्चे से आप पूछ लो कब वॉश करते हैं, डेली करते हैं या रेगुलरली करते हैं. सॉक्स का क्या है, क्लीन सॉक्स कितने में करते हो, डेली करते हो या रेगुलरली करते हो, या तो सॉक्स का क्या है, वो सारी चीजें. शार कितने टाइम लेते हो, टीथ ब्रश कितने मतलब पर डे कैसे करते हो. तो दैट इज हाउ यू असेस थ्रू द वर्कशीट ऑल्सो. इट्स नॉट कि वर्कशीट आप सिर्फ उसका इवेल्युएट कर रहे हो या लेवल जान रहे हो. खुद असेसमेंट के लिए भी वर्कशीट्स का आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. देन कुछ और भी है, कुछ भी, दैट्स इट. दिस इज द अनदर असेसमेंट. That was another assessment. I get up early in the morning by myself. ये क्या है, आई कैन चेकलिस्ट है. ये स्मॉल किंडरगार्टन बच्चे के लिए है, किड्स के लिए है. और इसी तरीके से हम हाई लेवल के कस्टमाइज करके बड़े ग्रेड्स के लिए भी ले सकते हैं. थम्स अप, थम्स डाउन, आई कैन मेक माई बेड माई सेल्फ, आई कैन फिक्स माई, आफ्टर टीचिंग ऑल द थिंग्स, after teaching all the personal grooming, personal things, personal ADL skills, we can make this checklist and assess our child on the basis of these worksheets. तो वर्कशीट्स आर ऑन. अभी किसी ने मुझसे पूछा था कि वर्कशीट हम सिर्फ क्या मैथ्स और इंग्लिश के लिए बना सकते हैं. नहीं नहीं, हम वर्कशीट सबके लिए बना सकते हैं. यू द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ द ADL स्किल पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग पे. हम पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग में भी हमने बनाई है वर्कशीट, एंड देन वी हैड मेक इन द वर्कशीट इन द चेकलिस्ट और असेस करने के लिए भी बनाया है. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. आई थिंक खत्म हो गया ना खुशबू.
हाँ रोशनी, that's all.
Okay. Thank you so much, Khushbu. So that is how I made. I had lots of worksheet what I made it for. I am sharing every day. और अभी तक मैंने पर्सनल लेवल पे कुछ शेयर नहीं किया है कि जो मैंने बनाया. This is the first I had shared it with you because this is the part of my book what I am writing now on the ADL skills. So I had not shared it. I just showed the example of it. So this is how you can make worksheet, customize worksheet according to your child. Take the help from Google. Google is always available for you. I am always available for you. So that is how you make the worksheets. And worksheets really help your child to reach the mastery level. And one more thing I want to tell you, worksheet is not an activity sheet. Both are the different. Activity sheets are different. Worksheets are totally different. So you all are open for your questions. Right now we have finished session so soon. Whatever you want to ask me, I'm free. Totally there for you all.
Hello, this is Anita Rani here. My son is in grade 2 and he's been being taught by a special educator, but he still has issues with mirror numbers like 9 and P. He gets confused with letter 9, number 9 and letter P, and sometimes with B and D. So, you know, this confusion still is existing. So how do we go about correcting it? Although we are taking correction classes, it's still not helping much.
Okay, so this is not the major issue, the mirror image. We have to work with the simple on that letter only. Sorry, I'm audible. Keys हो सकता है, sport thinking हो सकता है. Have to first find what exactly the problem is. Then we have to start working on that with the different activities. There are lots of activities. we will go with that to all these PD और 9 वाले mirror images जो कि confusion होते हैं. मैम ये ऐसा है नहीं कि किसी एक के साथ होता, many people are there who get confused. So it takes a practice, so don't worry about that.
Okay, thank you.
Roshni, Khushbu here. In case you find me disconnected in between, so please like you wrap up the session. I will try to connect back, but there is a fluctuating network at my side today.
Ma'am, how do we contact you? Do you have any mail address or something?
Yes, ma'am. I'm totally freely available in a Telegram channel. My Telegram channel is my Telegram channel link will be shared with you. Even I had a mail ID also. Khushbu, I request you to share my mail that Telegram channel link so that they will get connected with me.
Sure, Roshni. Yeah.
It will be shared in the chat box.
Hello, ma'am. I am Anita. I shared your link today's workshop. I shared on another group.
Yes.
So I must to ask you to give me. I am on your Telegram group, but I need your Telegram's address, मतलब कि link, so that other group other parents from other groups could join in and get benefited by you, your skills and your knowledge.
Totally agree with you, ma'am. But my that Telegram channel is especially for that what we say
Parents.
special needs parents.
Yeah, ma'am. That's why I'm telling you, specialist. Specialist parents I'm talking about. I mean, every group there is only a special group. I am not in not in contact with the that is working for normal kids. We all are working for special kids only.
I had shared my channel link with you all in my chat box, so you can go and join by that link only.
Yeah, thank you very much. I am already there.
Yeah, you're most welcome, ma'am. Anytime.
Thank you very much.
Anything else? If you want to know about the worksheets, please let me know. I am today totally free. Even I want to do the that lesson plan webinar with you all. I want to teach you how to make a lesson plan for your child, how to prepare a lesson creatively, actively, and profitably for your child, and then how it goes well. So I want to teach you that also. Teach you or will support with that you also. So now today I'm with the worksheets. Anyone have any questions related to worksheets?
Hello. Sorry, once again, Jayashri. One question I want to ask that ये जो वर्कशीट है सिर्फ एकेडमिक्स में ही काम आते हैं कि बिहेवियर इम्प्रूवमेंट में भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं? जैसे कुछ अगर बिहेवियर टेंट्रम्स है उसको अगर कुछ ये करना हो, रिमूव करना हो तो?
Yes, ma'am. बिल्कुल यूज कर सकते हैं. Why not? मैं वही बार बार क्लियर करना चाह रही हूँ टू एवरीवन. वर्कशीट इज नॉट ओनली फॉर द एकेडमिक्स. एकेडमिक्स के लिए तो वर्कशीट हर कोई यूज करता है. Why we are not doing differently to use with the ADL, to use with the behavior, to use with anything? Even I had shared many behavioral worksheet. अभी कुछ दिन पहले खुशबू मैम ने एक वेबिनार किया था. उस टाइम पे हम लोगों ने बिहेवियर का वेबिनार किया था मैम ने. तो बिहेवियर वर्कशीट्स मैंने बहुत सारे शेयर किए थे ताकि हम उसको सपोर्ट कर सके उस वेबिनार को. तो यू कैन customize it, get it from the Google, anything, but there are lots of, you cannot only do the academics with the worksheets. You can do anything. If you want to teach yourself some cooking, you will customize that worksheets with that also, and you will get the awesome result. It's like that only.
Okay, thank you.
So, ma'am, where do we get these stories like for social behavior or for behavior
like what ma'am told initially. Where can I find the links for to make these worksheets?
Ma'am, first try to customize it according to your child needs. Only for the ideas you go with the Google help or some other things. Google is also, you can
Behavior
type.
also I can find on Google.
Yeah, why not? You can also find in my channel also in the Telegram, or you can find it in the Khushbu's channel also.
No, I'm not on both the groups. I think so. I need to join the group first.
Yes. I had posted in the today on other platform also. So it may be little bit unaware about this, but you can join me in the Telegram channel where you will find the types of social stories, worksheets, and even when the parent asked us about that worksheets, we are immediately available with that worksheet within a day. So it's a very good platform for you all.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, I'll just like to brief something. My child will turn 11 next month. He is autistic and he is also epileptic. So he has issue with the brain on the right side. He's got a little shrink brain. So the nerves are not been connected inside. So still he doesn't read, but if I ask him orally the words, he tells me CAT bolo, yeah, whatever the big words, whatever lady's finger, cauliflower, all fruits, vegetables, he says it orally, but he does not observe the pictures that well. So he can relate if I start with the worksheets?
Why not, ma'am? It's a perfect. When the child is missing something in the academics part, na, the worksheets are always there to help. जैसे कि for example, in a very beautiful example, I will tell you. जब हम स्लाइड में अपने बच्चे को ऊपर से छोड़ देते हैं ना, तो नीचे मदर होती है सपोर्ट के लिए, या फादर होता है साइड से सपोर्ट देते हुए नीचे आने के लिए. The worksheets plays the same role. When we are teaching them the academics, the worksheets are there helping from this side also, and from the down also to reach the mastery level.
Okay, so ma'am, I like to get connected to you because it will be a little personal to talk over here. Few things which I need to get cleared.
Yes.
So,
you will first join my channel.
Phone number or something.
Yeah, sure. You will connect me with my email ID first. Roshni 1985 @gmail.com.
Roshni, can you repeat that? Roshni?
Roshni Gautam, ROSHANI Roshni. I will share it in the my chat.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
I will share my email ID in the chat if you want to get connected.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Shweta.
Yes.
Ma'am, my kid is 4.3 and I started working with him. Actually, he is very fond of colors, so I make worksheets for him and with lots of colors, and he loved that. But now I'm facing the problem like he is a sensory issue like what we say visuals. He takes so many visuals, so my therapist told me to don't use colors at all. So is it right, and how should I now continue doing worksheets?
Maybe not good for him, certain colors. Maybe not good for me. But certain colors, is he a low vision child?
Low, sorry ma'am, I can't hear.
Is there any visual issues with
visuals? No ma'am, actually he's taking visuals of every rectangular objects like corner objects. Now only he's taking visuals, ma'am. Before he was not taking.
So I think sensory issues hai na, so maybe it's not because of the colors. Colors are also be the part, maybe, but it's till now that not fixed yet. So we can't go to any conclusion. So stop doing in the lot of मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा bulk में करने की जगह slowly आप उसको कम कर सकते हो. जैसे if you are using 5 to 6 different colorful pictures, you can come to the and slightly cuts it into and see the results. If the results are the same, so it doesn't related to the colors. If the results are not same, then you can totally cut off that. I will recommend.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, anyone else?
Ma'am, my daughter is in grade 2. So she's very poor in English. So spellings basically. So
Okay.
what kind of worksheet should I use for her?
Ma'am, for spelling, I will not recommend you the worksheet. I will tell you one technique, beautiful technique.
Yes, please.
Just for example, we have that spelling. You tell me one spelling, I will tell you.
Okay, let's take apple for example.
Apple.
Yeah.
Okay, so then you will go with writing APPLE. Write full sentence first, full spelling first. Then
Okay.
3 times full spelling. Apple. Apple. 3 times full spelling.
Okay.
Then skip the last one. Skip the
Okay.
last one. Put the dash there. Then after skip the last, put dash. Then afterwards skip the 3 and instead of the 3 words, 3 letters, you can keep the 3 fill in the blank. Now, and become A, there are 4 blanks. Now, all blanks are there. That way, the child will learn the spelling as much as he can or she can. And other way is that he first copy and write the full page, and then afterwards, without looking at that spelling, you write your.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, Anita, want to ask something?
Yeah, would you be sharing your email ID in the
Yeah, I have already shared, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
My email ID also, even my that group link also. You can join me anytime.
Anita, I have just shared both the groups links and contact details. You all can check the chat window.
Yeah, I've got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
We are doing, I, Khushbu, Manju ma'am, we all are working in the Telegram for the special needs children, totally free of cost. And you can get a lot of information there. Those who are new in this webinar, those who are not in the Telegram, I want to tell you, we are running with a good programs, good webinars, free of cost for the parents in this pandemic situation. The worksheet will as much as you can. So you are free to go with that.
Yeah, and one more request is, would you schedule the future webinars during the weekends so that working parents can benefit out of it?
We'll work on it.
Okay.
So feedback, please give in the chat box. So we should wrap up this webinar. If anyone wants to ask anything, go ahead.
Madam, there is one question. What we mean by visual perception worksheets?
Sir, visual perception worksheets totally focused on the visual things. जब child को थोड़ा सा visually problem होता है, they are off to the concentration levels and other things. The visual perception worksheets helps. There are lots of visual perception worksheets. Like, for example, I will tell you the starting with the simple one. I want to tell you, go with the monkey picture with the banana. Tracing the line, going through the different lanes and lasers, and it will reach to the banana. It's like that worksheet type of work will help for the visual perception. To focus the concentration, to improve everything. All these worksheets help.
Okay. And madam, there are certain worksheets for to help the child to exactly know the figure. Like number concept अगर मुझे अच्छा करना है और number concept मुझे समझाना है, तो इसके लिए कोई worksheets help करता है?
Yes, sir. Why not, sir? I want to tell you each and everything. For each and everything, I had just now given the for cooking also, for bathing also, for brushing also, for everything. There are lots of worksheets. Only you have to search that from the Google or ask from me. I'm there to help you all. For everything.
Thank you,
there.
madam. Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am.
May I know who is this?
I'm Nirmala. Actually, I'd like to ask you, how will you distinguish between a worksheet and activity sheets? You were saying that both are not same. So can you just elaborate on that?
Ma'am, you're not clear with your voice.
Yeah. Can you just elaborate on what is the difference between worksheets and activity sheets?
I'm audible.
Hello. Can you just elaborate on the difference between worksheets and activity sheets?
Ma'am, almost same, but only one difference is there, that activity sheet is commonly with a group, so done with a group sessions for the task, and the worksheet is for the particular topic we are going with. So this is the main difference between the activity sheets and the worksheets.
Thank you. Thank you.
Even the activity sheets is the skill based, and the worksheets are skill based as well as the topic based, knowledge based, everything.
Okay, thank
you. Ma'am, shall I ask a question?
Yes.
Ma'am, my kid is 2 years old. His eye contact is very poor, ma'am. Anything
Yes.
shall I help with a worksheet?
Ma'am, worksheet in that eye contact, you had approached for the doctor also, I hope so, till now.
Yes, ma'am. The therapies and all, it's all going, ma'am. It's all parallelly going.
Doctor just told you many exercises, eye exercises, like closing of one eye and looking with the another eye for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and then again closing your another eye and looking with the that eye. These exercises really helpful for the child. And in the when we comes to the worksheet, go with the concentration worksheets. That what Dr. Mithun was sir was asking from me, the visual perception worksheets. So these helps in the concentration levels as well as visually strong, make your child visually strong. And even one more thing I want to tell you for the vision, you can tell you. Okay, if I get remember, I will tell you. Just flushed off from the mind. Just want to tell you. You exercises also. I will let you know when you connect with me personally. There are several exercises.
Okay, ma'am. Mainly for eye contact.
Yes, ma'am. The activity what I want to tell you is the activity eye hand coordination activity means बॉल्स को यहाँ से वहां तक देखकर एक प्लेट में आप बॉल रख के दे दो, वो हिलते हिलते प्लेट से गिरना नहीं चाहिए. These types of activities, or you will sort out chana chola sort out, या something grain sort out activities. These also helps in the vision, so you will go with that.
He's looking at all the objects, ma'am. Only the eye contact is he's not concentrating, ma'am. Toys and all he's doing, ma'am. Nicely he's performing. But if you come to the eye contact, he's not doing, ma'am.
Yes, I can understand,
okay,
ma'am. Yes, it will go off. It will not completely go off. I will not tell you completely. I will not assure you for anything, but I will tell you all these exercises, that visual perception worksheets हो गया, या these हो गया, ये धीरे धीरे concentration level बढ़ाता है. And once the concentration level will starts working on, he will be able to contact much more.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Got it, ma'am. Got it, ma'am. I will. Have you shared the mail ID, ma'am, in the chat box so that I can give a own text mine? Yes. If possible, if you have a time at the visual exercise, ma'am. Please.
I had shared, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am. Thanks.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, Kanchan, you are audible.
Sorry, I am Pratiksha Modi.
Okay.
No problem. Actually, ma'am, I wanted to know that my son is 9 years. He is on autism spectrum, and basically he is more interested in colorful pictures. So, shall I customize worksheets? Means, shall I use the colorful pictures type of worksheet or black and white? Should I use, because in the books and school syllabus and everything, the worksheets and everything is black and white only.
मैम तो हमें ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट मूवीज देखकर अच्छा लगता है क्या? I'm asking to
Hello.
you. I'm asking to you, मैम, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट मूवीज देखकर आज के जमाने में कैसा लगता है?
Just a minute. Hello.
मैम, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट मूवीज देखकर आज के जमाने में कैसा लगता है?
Okay, I understood.
You understood हो? मैम, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट मूवी देखने का किसी को भी शौक नहीं होता। तो आज के जमाने में क्या है? We have to go with the colors. All the black and white.
Okay. That's why I was just confused, because in the books and everywhere, the mostly in further advanced grade it will be black and white. So that's why my son is basically interested in colorful pictures. So that's why I was asking. इसीलिए पूछ रही थी.
You can also do 2-3 worksheets with the colors and one worksheet with the black and white. That will be easy to grasp his memory for the we will prepare him for the higher grades.
Okay, that is good idea. Yes, thanks a lot. Okay. And one more question I have.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
Hello, one more question I'm having. I wanted to ask that there should be one activity per A4 size worksheet, or we can divide into two parts, that two small activities in one worksheet, means in one page.
मैम, आप ये तो विजुअल पे है, डिपेंड होता है कि बच्चे का विजुअल कैसा है. If he is good in visual, you can customize it with a good font size. Always remember your worksheet has a proper border, proper Arial black color headings with a Arial black bold with the headings, simpler Arial black with the content, and it has its font size has not be less than 16. 16 से less than होना ही चाहिए. You have to
6 font size. Okay.
18 has to be the font size. 16, if you are 16 as a heading, take only 14 as the your content. Or if you are taking 16 as a heading, take 18 as a 18 as a heading, take 16 as a
16 as a content. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, this is totally new for me. Thanks a lot.
Ma'am, hello. I have one question. Ma'am, if I have to teach a student like big and small concept, so is it okay? Okay, I show big ball and then a small ball. It's C, this is big and this is small. Is it okay? I just want to know.
Ma'am, you are not audible, ma'am. Clearly.
Ma'am, hello. Is it okay now? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Ma'am, ma'am, I have to teach big and small concept to a child. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I show the child a big ball and a small ball, this is big ball. Is it okay, or only big ball I have to show?
Ma'am, if you are teaching the big and small concept, you have to show both the balls.
Yes, ma'am. That's why I'm asking you. One person told me that we have to show only big ball. So how can if I show the child is a football, then I'll say if I say this is big ball, but at the same time if another parents bring a therapy ball, that is a really huge ball, ma'am. Then the concept will मतलब कि गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. इसमें मैं कह रही हूँ I have to show the object ना. I want to confirm myself if they were right or not.
I will advise you not only to take 2 balls, you will take a 3 to 4 balls of different sizes and ask the bigger and it's not about the one ball. Ma'am, ये बताओ अकेला चना भाड़ फोड़ सकता है क्या?
मैम जान रही हूँ, मैं बरसों से सिखा रही हूँ बच्चों को, लेकिन क्या करूँ, अभी हुआ है ना, एक ने बोला कि नहीं ये गलत है, पहले बिग सिखाना। अरे उस वी हैव टू समथिंग हैव टू कंपेयर विद, देन आई
Yeah, you go ahead with the.
Ma'am, thank you very much. I will send you some question on your Telegram group. You answer me there, okay, please.
Now it's a wrap up timing, so.
Okay, no problem.
Hello.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Hello. I have a lots of questions.
You are doing great.
Thank you, thank you. We will keep again sessions. For again session we will keep for your questions. So.
Hello.
Okay.
Can you answer
Roshni?
just one last question?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah, guys, just give me a moment. There's one parent who's unable to put a question on the chat, as well as she's unable to talk. So she sent me a question separately. रोशनी, मैंने अभी वो question chat window पे paste किया है, copy paste.
Okay.
Can you see that? Did you get that question? 11
I-
years, 11
No,
years son.
No, I'm not able to see.
Acha, let me read it to you. 11 years son, good in academics, but now he's not taking any interest. How can we make worksheets for EVS and all the subjects so that he can understand better?
So when he's not taking interest, should I answer? She is in the group, or should I answer in the?
She can listen. She can listen and hear us. So
Jakia.
आप answer कर दो, Zakia. Yeah.
Yeah. Jakia, we had already answered many questions, and hope it works earlier also. Now I want to tell you that if he is 11 years old and not interested, not taking interest suddenly, first we have to find out the reason what happens to him. After finding out, we have to go with the academics worksheets. If he is not finding out interest because of some other reason, it's not good to force him with the worksheets directly. So if he is finding out interest in other subjects and in a particular subject he is not finding out interest, so then we will work on it कि हाँ ये worksheet शायद उसको अच्छी नहीं लग रही, maybe colorful he wants, maybe some level is low and he is not finding it interest कि अभी ये बहुत lower level का हो गया, अभी तो मैं ये कर लेता हूँ, and we have to go in the high level, so we have to customize according to that. So if there is some other things, we have to find out first. If there is no other thing, we have to customize and upgrade his level. So in both the case, we have to find out exactly what his interest in the academics. Is he bored because of the level is low and he is not finding it compatible with himself? And then we have to customize according to his needs. This is what I will suggest you. Hope it will be helpful. Khushbu, are we done with the?
Yes, Roshni, I think let's take up the remaining questions on the group. So, guys, since
last question,
Just one last question, because we were connected and then we got disconnected.
No problem.
Actually, there is I found a gap in my son. He is 5 years, and there was he has rote learning very nicely done. His memory skills are excellent. His identification for shapes is superb, and his attention to detail is very high. The only thing what I found is the number values. How when a number is increasing, the values he is sometimes able to relate it, sometimes he's not able to relate it. Can you throw a little light on how can I work concrete based with him so that he understands, he comes out of from the rote learning to the value learning. His language skills are quite good, very very good.
You're asking about the play value things.
I mean to say the number values, and also once he understands the values, like this is big numbers, say number 8 is big, but sometimes he gets confused between 8 and 9, so yeah, so the number next he gets a little bit, especially after 6, between 6 to 10 you can say. So how do I make him understand the number values, the value count for a number?
So, ma'am, first you have to make him concrete, make his concrete way. Sorry, सबसे तगड़ा हमें उसका वो करना पड़ेगा. Greater and smaller numbers. We'll have to start working with that. Values के लिए the best thing is to go with that greater and smaller. And
मैम
only
वो बहुत अच्छे से बता पा रहा है, मैनी है, ये फ्यू है, ये लेस है, ये मोर है, इसमें उसका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है। बट जब 8 एंड 9 देखता है ना, तो उसको लगता है कि ये दोनों तो सेम ही दिख रहे हैं, खाली एक कम है। तो
हाँ
उसमें थोड़ा सा उसका कंफ्यूजन
yeah,
दिखाई देता है उसके फेस पे।
with 1 and 2 numbers, first take 1 and simpler way 1 and 2, ask which is, and when you are writing in the flashcard 1 and 2, keep 2 objects in front of that. 1 के पास 1 object and 2 के सामने 2 objects, and ask कि after it comes 2 एक ही ज्यादा है but still which is more, and start with its favorite things. अगर उसको कुछ चीजें favorite toys है या something, it will able to grasp him more quickly than the other. So start like this. I'm telling with the simpler one is क्योंकि simpler one will rememorize, help in rememorizing, also helps in revision also, and then go to the complex numbers like 8 and 9. It's looking almost same, but we always have to start greater, smaller things. With the many few is a different concept, and greater and smaller with the numbers are different. For making them concrete, we have to start with the one. Take a few figures, 1 and 2, 2 and 4. So it's like कि हाँ अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा बढ़ रहा है. So slowly he will able to understand the concept, and जब हम concept एकदम तगड़ा हो जाता है ना, तो then we don't have to teach them. They will find the answer themselves. It's like
वो तो मैंने देखा है मैम, एक बार कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाता है तो किसी की नहीं सुनते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, इट वाज लवली स्पीकिंग टू यू, थैंक यू सो मच।
So Khushbu, should we wrap up?
Yes, it's already 4:15, and if there are any more questions, guys, we have not started with any new topic on the group. The previous topic was all about academics, where we collectively answered to your questions. Most of the answers were given by Roshni only. I was stuck with something, and I requested her to please take it up, and she did answer to all the questions. If you have any questions related to academics or whatever is the topic going on in the group, please post it in the format. Abhi, for now, I'm going on a little break till Diwali. So we'll come up with the next topic. Tab tak group is open. Feel free to discuss, share, learn, do whatever you want. It's not my group alone or Roshni's group alone. It's a group for us, created by us, for the parents, by the parents, like we say. So stay tuned, and all those who have registered will keep receiving updates whenever we have a new webinar coming up, or you can stay connected with us on our groups, Sigan Mantras, Drishti Worksheets, and there are many other groups. So once you join Telegram, you can join any of the groups and you'll get the link to all the others.
Because we are working together.
Yeah, so it's not just we working together, Roshni, it's all the parents with us. Without them, and like we ourselves are parents first, then we got into this profession. So but whatever we keep doing, but this thing comes first, you know. So on that note, guys, have a great day ahead, and let's catch up sometime soon with a new topic, new speaker, or we may have Roshni with another topic. You never know what do we have. But yes, do stay tuned for a very, very unique webinar coming up, which is this time not by any parent, not by any professional, but with somebody who himself is on the spectrum. मैं अभी कुछ disclose नहीं कर रही हूँ, but I will float out the information soon. Be there with us either on the like webinars group, WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook. We are everywhere. आपको जहाँ convenient हो, if you want, I can share all the links on Telegram group. वहाँ से आप connect कर लीजिए and stay updated. Thank you so much, Roshni, for all the wonderful insights and giving us a clear picture of what and all worksheets is and how to work on that. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone, guys. Yeah.
It's such a wonderful opportunity. Bye-bye.
Thank you for the inputs.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Bye.